Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, a lot of you no doubt would be following the story of this Senator Elisha Abbo. Elisha Abbo or Elisha Abbo, I'm not sure how to pronounce his name. Elisha Abbo is how it reads to me, but a lot of you would have been following the storyline of this guy. But if you are not following the storyline, I'll just give you a quick summary of what has brought this guy into the public spotlight. So this senator from Adamawa State is allegedly, apparently, the youngest senator ever to enter the Nigerian Senate. So it's a very young man who has found himself in the Nigerian Senate. So now this chap, this senator, goes to a sex shop in Abuja to make a purchase, and in the course of making his purchase, maybe he felt it was not attended to quickly enough, or maybe he was drunk on the power of his newfound position because he had this police orderly with him, which they seem to attach to all these high profile people. So he was almost certainly drunk on the power of his position, and then suddenly he started to shout at the sales girl, and before you knew it, he started to slap her. And there's a video clip of this, by the way, so I'll play that video clip now.
Drop your phone while I'm talking. I said drop your phone.
She's talking to her father. I'm talking to her.
I said drop your phone now, I'm talking. You call him, but nobody's arresting you. Drop the phone now. Take drop that phone.
Oh, God. You're very stupid. Oh, God, please take it easy now.
You are very stupid. What's your problem? You are very stupid. I think you're very stupid. I will come with you. Are you mad? I know where you go. I think you're very stupid. Take her. Go with her. Come. I said go. I said go.
My God,
I think you're very stupid. Go with her.
Why now?
Take her away. Take her away. Can you move back? Move back. Can you move back? You are my friend. I'll slap you. Move back. I said move back. I said out. I said out.
No.
Can you out? I'll come out. Go back. You are my friend. I'll slap you. Go with her. I said go. I said go with her. I said go out. I said go. I said go out now. I said out. Go out. Look at this dog. Can you don't talk? Oh? You get me angry. You are my friend and you misbehave. And I will shut down your shop.
I've known you for how long? That's my
Go with her.
She doesn't
Go with
do
her.
anything.
Take her out. Daniel. Take her.
Libra, come.
Wait,
I am
calling
you.
No, don't. And you're pulling me.
Don't know anything about it.
And you're pulling me. Go with her. Put it away. Daddy, come on. Go.
So there you saw it. So this is what happened with this guy. So now there's been a lot of public outcry because obviously this clip has been leaked into the public space, and everybody is now calling for the arrest of this guy. So now it looks as though that call has now reached the Inspector General of Police. So guys, I bring you this. Breaking: Police IG orders the arrest of Senator Elisha Abbo for slapping a nursing mother. So that's the headline. Breaking news: Police IG, so IG is Inspector General, orders arrest of Senator Elisha Abbo for slapping nursing murder. So now let's get into the meat of it. Following the calls by Nigerians to arrest, prosecute and jail Senator Elisha Abbo, who allegedly slapped a nursing mother at a sex toy shop in Abuja, the Inspector General of Police, AGP Mahmood Adamu, has ordered his arrest on Wednesday. Investigations are currently ongoing at the Federal Capital Territory Police by an investigative team set up by the police force headquarters in Abuja. The news of the attack went viral after a video recorded by the closed-circuit television (CCTV) installed in the shop was shared on the social media, an act which was said to have embarrassed the police authorities. The police say they are doing everything within their powers to restore dignity to the force following the conduct of the orderly attached to the senator. So really, I'm not really sure how anybody can blame this orderly that was attached to the senator, because really when an orderly is attached to a high-profile person, that orderly is immediately overwhelmed by the personality of that high-profile person. And when you are the policeman attached to guard this person and you see him slapping that person, you'll be very difficult for you to then go and arrest your principal. You'll be instead be led by what your principal is saying. So this senator was actually, having now slapped this girl, was then actually asking his orderly to arrest her as well. So this was what happened. So I'm not really sure what blame we can apportion to the orderly attached to the senator. So according to police sources, the incident actually happened in a sex toy shop in Abuja, where the senator had gone to make a purchase. Now, so they made it a point to point out that it happened in a sex toy shop. So it happened in a sex toy shop. It happened in a sex toy shop. There's no big deal about that. There are sex toy shops, and people go there to make purchases. I mean, what are they trying to infer? Is a full-grown adult, and whatever his kinks are, those are his kinks. So if he wants to satisfy or satiate his kink, and he feels that there are props there that he needs to spice up his life, then that's fair enough. It's no different from going to McDonald's to buy food. So that's just a bit of a nonsense what they're trying to hint at there. So let's carry on. The video, which has been circulating the internet, shows the angry senator beat up the sales girl and order his police orderly to take her away. So now this is what happened. It's a real low point for this guy, and also the Senate are in the process of investigating him as well, because a panel has been put together to investigate this guy. But this is really shocking behavior, but then it's not, of course, surprising, because you know in Nigeria, the moment they have a little power, then they take that as a power of life and death. You go into a shop and you start to slap around the sales girl there. Who does that? Conversations in the comment section is what I am inviting around this. But before you come join me in the comment section to have that conversation, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray, bell button, that way you're notified every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what you are making of all this in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, meet you in the comment section, but here I say peace.
If I don't know you, I will have torn you down. Somebody's done in my shop. Does it mean if you see me, I fall down, you say it's none of your business? Is that your life? Is that your life? So if you think I fall down tomorrow, you say it's not your fucking business. Go, I will make myself look you. I heard your voice and I came back. We are talking touch and making noise. I heard your voice and I came back. Are you the other phone? Sorry. I had to look at my face again. Ben is talking. I had your voice. That idiot. Please, I beg you. She was not here when I had it. I beg you in the name of God. She was not here when I had it. I instead of say, calm down. Can I tell Kemi I will throw your phone down for nothing? Somebody lie down. Lie down here. You go and take me. I was going again and I heard your voice and I came back. Just please look at me. All right, then let me go. Let me go now. Okay, let me go. Go with her.
My saying, Father, sir. Yes, what? I'm coming. Let me lock up. Hello, mommy. And wọ́n fọ́ bí grand lè sí nítorí ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn máa pè yín padà, mommy. Ẹ wo ẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀ kínní ẹ̀wẹ̀ fi mí lọ́rùn sílẹ̀ ṣé mo dípẹ́ pa wàhálà ni. Ìgbà tí mo pe dáàdì tí mo gbé kàn ọlọ́pàá yẹn wá sọ pé kí n gbé fóònù sílẹ̀ ó wá ní she's talking to her father. Bí bọ̀bọ̀ tó ọ̀rọ̀ ṣẹlẹ̀ yẹn ẹ mọ̀ pé ti yó ó kọ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ó gbá ojú ẹ̀ tó 5 times. But mommy bíbélà wà ń sálẹ̀ tó máa pè yín padà. Mo fẹ́ fi ṣọ́ọ̀bù mi kiri bọ́sìkà. I called my brother. I think he's going to be alone.